So welcome to my YouTube channel. Regarding upcoming Nagaland Police Recruitment 2024 laga latest news update apni hala akite paste korise. Etu ekta bahal khobor lagina ase ami. Recently, Honorable Home Minister bra local news interview de koise. Right after Lok Sabha election hoigine June July de August de recruitment do notified kori dibo koise. Etu ekta bishi bahal khobor ase. So those who are looking for the government job aro kun tiyari kori ase etu palra practice kori lebi to etu moi clips apnian karne moi dikhai dibo etu tala recently interview de etu sabi lebi.
Sir, with regard to the recruitment in the departments, when is it likely to be notified? I think a lot of people are waiting after you have announced.
Yeah, just after this Lok Sabha election, by July, August, recruitment will take place. Not only police department, 7 uniform departments.
Can you also please clarify on the allocation for the tribe?
Yeah, that allocation tribe-wise recruitment will be there. And from all the district headquarters, recruitment will take place this time.
Sir, even in the state assembly, the recently concluded legislative assembly session that was held, the
तो अपनी भी दिखी होला तला इंटरव्यू कथा कोला तो अपनी खान इन लेटेस्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन रिगार्डिंग स्टेट गवर्नमेंट और सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ला जब अपडेट पाओ गले इधर चैनल सब्सक्राइब करिबे और शेयर करिबे अपनी गला फ्रेंड्स फैमिली रिलेटिव्स सो दैट तहन भी इतु खबर पाइने प्रैक्टिस करिवो और गवर्नमेंट जॉब एकटा हासिल करबो थैंक यू।